Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install an expert advisor, also known as an EA, on MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. Okay, so if you have just downloaded an EA but you aren't sure how to set it up, follow along step by step, and by the end of this video you'll have your EA running smoothly on your charts. All right, so let us begin with the basics, shall we? An expert advisor is a program designed to automate trading strategies inside MetaTrader 5. Okay, now, instead of placing trades manually, an EA can execute trades based on preset rules and conditions. But before it can work, you need to install it properly. All right. The first step is to open the data folder inside MetaTrader 5. Okay. To do this, you go to the top menu. All right. Click on File. Select Open Data Folder. This opens up the main MT5 directory where all the platform files are stored. All right. So inside this folder, you'll find several subfolders. Okay. Locate the one named MQL5. Right. You double click to open it. Inside, you'll see folders for indicators, scripts, experts and all of that. So the experts folder is the one that you want to, go into. Okay, this is where your EA files need to go. Now, just take the EA file you downloaded, all right, usually with the extension .ex5 or .mq5, and you copy it into the experts folder. Okay, once the file is there, you are halfway done. All right, when the file is there, you're halfway done. So the next step is to make MetaTrader 5 recognize the new file. All right, to do this, you can either restart the MT5 platform completely or refresh the Navigator panel. If you prefer refreshing, just open the Navigator window. Let's go to our Navigator. You right click on Expert Advisors and you select Refresh. All right. So the EA should now appear in the list. Okay. Once your EA shows up in the Navigator, you can load it onto your chart. You simply drag and drop the EA from the Navigator onto the chart where you want it to run. Okay. If you want the EA to run on USD CHF, for example, you just drag it and drop. Allow Algo Trading. Okay, you drag it and drop. You want it to run on another pair, just do the same thing. You drag it and drop. Allow Algo Trading. So as many pairs as you want it to run, just ensure that the pairs are open. You just drag and drop on those charts. All right. So when you do this, you will notice that a settings window will pop up, right? So here you'll see the input parameters that you can adjust. So, this could include your lot size and, depending on the EA, right? You see some parameters that you can modify according to your trading style, okay? Depending on the EA, right? Because different EAs will definitely have, different inputs, okay? So you adjust the inputs as you prefer and then you click on OK. At this point, there is one more critical step, which is to enable algo trading. All right. You look at the top toolbar in MetaTrader 5 and make sure the algo trading button is active. Okay. If it is red, you just have to click it once to turn it green. All right. Without enabling algo trading, your EA won't function even if it is installed correctly. Finally, you check the chart window where you placed your EA. In the top right corner, you should see the color of this heart, blue. All right. If I off the algo trading, you'll see that it's black, right? But when I on it, you see that it's blue. So you have to ensure that it is blue, showing that the EA is active. Okay. This indicates that the EA is running properly. If you see that black color or nothing at all, it means that something is not set up right and you should double check your steps. Okay, so you can see even when I go to the other pairs where I added the indicator, you'll see that this is showing blue because this algo trading is reflecting across all the pairs. So you just need to ensure that the algo trading is on and just make sure that this heart is blue in color to be sure that your EA is functioning properly. All right, and that is it. You've successfully installed an expert advisor on MetaTrader 5. Now your EA is ready to run and you can monitor how it behaves on your chart. Remember, the key steps are open data folder, all right? Place the EA in the experts folder, refresh or restart your MT5, drag your EA to the chart, enable algo trading. All right, simple steps, very straightforward steps. Okay, and just ensure that you have this heart blue and not black. All right, so if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe for more MetaTrader 5 tutorials, Forex trading guides, and step-by-step walkthroughs designed to make your journey easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.